All right, y'all, good morning. It is 11:16 a.m. right now, but we got up about 10:30, took our shower. We chilly, y'all. I'm eating leftovers, breakfast from yesterday. We trying to sort out what we gonna properly eat this morning. Probably order some food and just get it delivered or go pick it up, because honestly, we don't feel like going out to eat this morning. We want to chill. After that, I'm finna try to find us something to do today, because we not going to AFRObeatz till late at night. So I'm finna try to find us something to do. If I don't, we probably gonna be in the house chilling. And if I do, y'all will see us out doing something. So I'm gonna definitely show y'all before we go out to Afro Nation too. So yeah, this day 2, Afro Nation Detroit. Y'all, I know it's not much of something, but it was some leftover French toast, turkey bacon, and turkey sausage. I'm eating right now with some coffee and drinking plenty of water. I really wish I had some eggs. Like, that would have just been like chef kiss for the leftovers, but it's okay. Yeah, so I'm trying to figure out what we want to eat. I'm thinking more or less like proper food instead of breakfast, because if I get hungry, I'll have something to eat in the afternoonish, like a little bit late afternoonish. So yeah, let me get on Uber Eats, y'all. So y'all, we spent quite a while trying to figure out what we were gonna do. We ended up finding this place that was doing like a brunch, AFRObeatz. Y'all, we got to the place. We was the first people there. It was so nice though. It had like a little outdoor area and an indoor area. I could tell it really be busting when it's packed in there. But y'all, for us to be the first people to walk in there, it was dead. Y'all, we decided to go to two places. This place called Fishbone, y'all. We went in there. It was like a dead zone. Food was nasty. Looked nasty. We didn't even eat in there. Then we ended up walking up the street and going to this Mediterranean place where we ended up eating at. And then we ended up just sitting in the car because we had paid for parking at the brunch spot. And he was like, y'all can leave y'all car here all day. We were like, cool. We only 5 minutes from AfroBreed. So we like, bet we finna tee up and drink in the car. So that's what we did. And then we just ended up Ubering to Afro Nation. So you guys will see all of that.
Side wind, straightforward, eyes on the climbing. I decide no matter the climate. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay up beside me. Hey time, chasing the rewind. Hey time, I need more space.
Thank God for TikTok and Google, y'all. We did promise some spots about Nikki's. And it's like a Mediterranean place.
I need your attention, just scrutiny. Squeezing too tight, boy, you lose me. Boy, you lose. Other side, space and secure. Space and secure. Space and secure. Space and secure. Other side, space and secure. Space and secure. Space and security. Boy, you lose. Gone girl, gone girl. You better learn how to face it. She's gone girl. She's gone girl.
Cause what's going on?
Everybody go to breakfast.
And I'll be worried about him next. I know the truth. I think he's just the man for you. So friendly, but you marry him. You know I made him my life. He made me stay with me. He wasn't man enough for me.
I know holy, and I know that devil.
So many reasons why I want for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See all the little things you do, they make me know. Oh no, no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come closer. I want to make you there. Closer. Girl, I want to make you closer. I feel like making you closer. No, closer. I want to make you there. Closer. Girl, I want to make you closer. I feel like making you closer. Closer.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess. I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other one.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow. I did what I got when them kills Obama. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now some money we make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow. 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 Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fait, on m'a tête, chocolate, fine, oh, baguette, watch out.
Alright y'all, hey Arikat B coming back with y'all. I think this is the start of a new vlog, but I'm not sure y'all. It is 10:14 p.m. It's Monday, y'all. I think the last time y'all saw me or saw well, when you'll see this vlog is I had just came back from my trip today. Y'all, I got back in town about 3ish. Y'all, while my job called me and was like, nobody came in, can you please come in? Girl, mind you, I just came back from driving from Detroit. Baby, I was tired. I was not planning on going to work, but she like begged me like, please come in. Nobody came in. I'm like, you know what, the job is easy. You know, I'm gonna be one-on-one, which means I'm only have one person to do. Cool, you know what, easy money, right? Shift go back, cool. I just got out of there, so it was cool, y'all. Right now I'm finna go stop and get me some Wendy's, y'all, and go in the house and take me a shower and chill. Y'all, I was tired, girl. The only reason that got me through is a Alani and a Red Bull. Both of them is energy drinks, and now I feel dirt tired. So y'all, tomorrow I work 2 to 10. Wednesday work 2 to 10. I got a doctor's appointment this week, you know, so I'm gonna be kind of busy with work and like personal stuff. So, but I'll make sure to vlog as much as I can this week. But I'm happy to be home, y'all. I'm just ready to get my car fixed. That's my next thing. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. QRSTUVWXYNZ. Well, I thought that was a big old thing of boo-boo. Yeah, girl. So y'all, hey, it is 5:31 p.m. y'all. I got up about 3:30ish. I had did a 16-hour yesterday. So hello. So y'all excuse the room, baby. I ain't unpacked since I've been back. I ain't cleaned up. Look, we ain't did nothing, baby. We ain't did nothing, but y'all, I gotta relax a little bit. I just finally got something to eat. That 16-hour was smooth. I ain't recovered sleep since I've been back from my trip, so I'm gonna hopefully try to relax and then get some energy to knock out some of these clothes, get some dishes washed, just get my house back in order. My house not dirty. It was just, we did a lot of like laundry cleaning before we left and we didn't put nothing up, and I want to unpack these bags and just get my stuff back in order. The house is clean. It's just, you know how you just don't unpack and then it just piles up onto your normal stuff, and then like you still got to pack stuff that's still sitting there. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna see y'all. Y'all, I'm at my appointment. Nothing serious, just checkup. And yeah, y'all, I'm probably finna go home, clean up some more. I had to clean Bubby's room and my bedroom and work on some content. So y'all, hey, I'm happy to be back on the vlog, y'all. I've been moving around. I literally said, since I came back from this trip on Tuesday, baby, I have been moving around. Baby, hit the ground running. I just finished cooking, I guess you call it lunch / dinner. I swept and mopped the Viva's room, swept and mopped in here. Y'all, I'm trying to get some inspo from TikTok. I want to like redo my little desk area. So the desk, y'all know, was turned the other way to where I'm facing the wall. So I want to turn my desk around, but I don't know how I like it. I'm gonna take all that stuff down and just rearrange it. Like, I don't know what to do. Y'all, excuse the way I'm coming, but you know what I'm so tired of hearing on TikTok? Maintain your steez! Steez! And then it's very demure, very mindful, very demure. Like, girl. Alright, y'all, how y'all had? Today is Saturday, y'all. I'm going to a birthday party. One girlie's been Tyra. She's having a little birthday party for her son. So I'm like 30 minutes out. It's a lot of traffic. I'm on time though. I do gotta stop at the store though, baby. But you know, I'm in a mood. I want to go to Taylorport, and I'm probably going to do some little individual shots of Casamigos. Because baby, why was I drinking Henry? For my whole birthday weekend, everybody knows that I prefer and like pictures. So I was confused. I was drinking Henry the whole. But that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can, you know. But I'll be enjoying myself. Cause you claim you see things when you on the empty.